Each spring, I have blossoms on our tree, and it attracts butterflies. And they sip the nectar through a straw. So if you look closely, you can see butterflies fluttering around, and they're attracted to the nectar. So let me teach you a little bit about butterflies. Butterflies do not have a mouth to taste and eat food like we do. Instead, they taste through their feet. Yes, I said feet. When they stand on their food, they can taste the food. But how can they eat it without a mouth? Well, instead of a mouth, they have a kind of like long straw structure called proboscis, which enables them to drink juices and nectar. When this proboscis is not being used, it is coiled up like a garden hose. Butterflies feed primarily on nectar from flowers. Some also derive nourishment from pollen, tree sap, rotting fruit, during dissolved minerals in wet sand, or dirt. Butterflies play an important ecological role as they help us pollinate and make new plants. So, butterflies consume only liquids, and these are sucked up by means of their like little straw that I talked about. They feed on nectar from flowers and also sip water from damp patches. This they do because they need water for energy from sugars and nectar, and for sodium and other minerals which are vital for their reproduction. Several species of butterflies need more sodium than provided by nectar. They are attracted to sodium, which is like in salt, and they sometimes land on people. But be very careful if a butterfly lands on you, because their wings are very fragile and transparent. In fact, their wings are exactly symmetrical. That means one side of the wing is exactly the same as the other side. So I call this each spring the butterfly tree, because all the butterflies are attracted to the sweet smelling nectar. It is so fragrant. I don't think this really captures how beautiful it is in a Texas spring. You can see they're just having so much fun flying around. I hope you enjoyed learning about butterflies.